So today I'm going to show you how to replace the laptop battery for Dell Inspiron 15759 model. So this is the gaming version, and I got this laptop in the year 2016. So yeah, it's been 4 years now, and I guess the laptop has died out. So the symptoms that you know that your laptop has died out is: one, you will have obviously very short backup time, that is 15 minutes, 20 minutes. The other part is if you're running Windows 10, you will have these system getting hanging up very often. And the third part is within Dell itself. So when you run these kind of driver upgrades, it will tell you that the battery has experienced a permanent failure and you need to replace it. And also, for some laptops, you may even see that the battery is bulging out. Right? Mine has shown all the symptoms, and the battery bulging out, it's started to do that. So I thought it's time to finally get a new one and replace it. Okay, so let me show you my replacement battery. So I tried to get the original OEM battery from Dell, but it was not possible. I guess they have stopped the production or they don't have stocks. So it was a problem. So I got a genuine, so-called genuine battery. Obviously this is made in China. I guess the original was made in Taiwan. But that being said, this seems to be good enough. It's a 74 watt-hour battery, and the packaging looks to be very decent. And let's open our laptop. Right, so this is the top, this is the bottom. So maybe find a table, keep your bottom part here, right, nice, neat and clean. Then you need to use a special screwdriver. They call this as a Torx model. I'll give a link below for an Amazon product. Even you can get these for about $2 or $3. All that you need to do is remove this screw. It's one screw that controls this panel. So we just loosen that up. Sorry for all the shakes, but okay, we loosen this. Okay, then we just lift off. Lift the panel gently and remove it. Right, single screw. Don't try to remove the screw completely. It's like that's a locking mechanism so that you don't lose the screw. So you just loosen it a little bit, remove the panel and keep it aside. So you can see here, this is the original battery that came with the laptop. And oh, this is manufactured in Japan. Okay, cells are made in Korea. It is assembled in China. Right, and I guess it's designed in Japan, I guess. So this is a good time to check whether your batteries are going to fit or not. Seems like it would fit. And you can also see these batteries versus this one. You can see the bulge over here, right? This is a sign of battery going bad. And we need to remove total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in total. Yes, so I do have this China made screwdriver kit. I will add a link to this. This was slightly expensive. I guess it's around $5 or so. And it comes with detachable screw heads like these. Right, you can just slip them on to this and you're good to go. So this Torx type screw T7 size. Hope it works. Yep, it works. So we remove the screw and we keep it aside safely. Don't lose it. Keep it aside. Now generally all laptop components have these ribbon type. So you pull this, right, and you can see the battery coming out. Now obviously Dell being Dell has not been very user friendly in this, right? End user friendly. But that being said, you can easily pull this out. Yep, there it comes. You need to be very careful because these cables are not very strong. Think about cost reduction. So what you can do is use your fingers, nail, hold on to the white part and then just pull it out. Right. These are like, if you pull them straight, comes in. Right. Be very careful. Don't damage the wires. Do not use a cutting plier. Just use your fingers, pull it out. Now to remove the battery completely, you need to slide them out and then pull them up, right? Gently. You don't want to damage anything else around. Okay, cool. So always dispose your old batteries properly, responsibility. Do not burn it. Do not throw it into the land. Recycle it properly. Okay, let's keep that aside. And then get the new battery out. So to fit the new battery in, follow the same steps from backwards. You put it over here, slide that back in, and then connect the battery in the same way. Do not change the directions, right? And also, okay, the easy way to do that is, you can see here, the top part has the place for the wire connectors, the bottom part is a blank. And in your battery, it's the same step. The top part has the terminals for connection, the bottom part is blank. So you need to align it properly. Take your time, right? And do this. And again, use your own fingers. Don't use a cutting plier, don't use anything else, right? Okay. We align it properly. In gently and then push it in, right? You need to push in with a little bit of force, but again use just your fingers and nothing else, right? Now once you push them in, it goes up perfectly aligned, good to go. Now you need to put that back in. It's a bit of a tussle, but it goes in now. Cool. Yep, it's always a gamble with these non-OEM batteries, but you got to live with what you need. Again, a little bit of force, don't damage anything permanently, because batteries at $50 is fine. Changing anything else on your motherboard is a pain and a very expensive affair. And this is a good time to just clean out if you have any cobwebs around. I've seen very badly maintained ones. I'm not saying this is the best one, but hey, it's at least you don't see dust bunnies here. We tighten them in. Again, no need to go Rambo in tightening the screws. A gentle tight, that's more than enough, right? If you over tighten them, you might break the bracket, which you don't want to do. As a bonus, if your Dell Inspiron 7559 laptop hinge makes a weird noise every time you open the lid up, there's a simple fix. Take your screwdriver, this one as well as this one, and then tighten the screws on the chassis here, this one and this one. Right, let me just adjust the camera. These are the two screws. Right, these are the two screws that hold your hinges together to the frame. So you want to tighten these two together. Okay, everything is done. Let us put the cover back in. Align them to the slots, slide them back and drop them on. Right, and a little bit of pressure, it pushes the tabs into place. Again, don't go Rambo, just a little bit of pressure, that's it. Right, these are not meant to be handled rough, unfortunately. Right, these are not your old school laptops. Okay, and that's it. You've changed the laptop battery. Now let's see whether it works. See, the battery is working perfectly. Okay, now let's see the battery. Power mode on, it says 3 hours remaining. Let's click on the settings. Right, let's see. Okay, since this is the first time the battery is loading, it's going to take it. Now over here, to increase your battery life, keep this in place as 10%, and always do not let your battery die out. That is, if it is at 10%, put it on a charger or at least shut it down. Right, don't let it auto shut down or don't let it go to 0%. That will reduce your battery's life. Hopefully it should be working fine. Thank you guys.